Hey, Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. We're in the shop today. I'm actually standing in the office. I'm doing a cabin filter on a 2016 Ford Fusion. Here's the new one that's about to go in. I just thought, again, I don't understand why it's so hard for people to do cabin filters. Here's the replacement. Here's the one I took out. Here's the old filter. Look at the lack of coverage. Okay? If you're going to do it, and you're going to do it right. Okay? Like, I don't understand. What is this? Just push it in, shove it in, all the way in? Needless to say, this one obviously needed to be changed. It's got a little bit of everything going on in here. It's got some teeth marks in it. All right, evidenced by, animals, right? It's been chewed on a little bit. And there's been all kinds of interesting things going on. But look at the lack of coverage. All right? I'm going to take a look inside the blower motor cage, see what kind of debris I find in there. But, it never gets old. It never gets old, and it never stops amazing me as to how wrong people can do cabin air filters. So, if you're going to that quick oil change place, you're going to that shop that seems like they're in a hurry, or whoever it is, this is not the work of a craftsman. This is the work of somebody that doesn't care, and they're getting paid by how many they can do. So I just got to comment on it like that. And this one just literally slides in. So look, you want to see how hard it is to put this cabin filter in? Once you gain access, you got to drop the glove box down and all, but it just slides in. It's not complicated. If you're going to do it right. Enough said. I'm Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. See you on radio.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian The Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.